Sometimes when we think about the inevitable bumps ahead of Cardano ADA, it's difficult to agree with any preposterous prediction. How can a coin with a mere all-time high of $3.10 climb to $100? It looks unrealistic. There is a big catch though. When you hear a big influencer talk about the bright future of a coin, even when it currently has nothing to offer, what happens to you? It is the sudden rush of heat to your face, or the musical palpitations in your heart. Exactly. Now you get the point. Palia Patia, an early cryptocurrency investor who initially got involved in Bitcoin back in 2013, recently expressed his frustration over the lack of regulatory clarity in the United States. The Sri Lankan-born Canadian and American venture capitalist highlighted that the authorities have firmly pointed their guns at crypto. Then he suggested that this could lead to the end of the fledgling crypto market in the country. So, according to this investor, crypto is going to be choked and eventually die. Not everyone shares this opinion though. People like Elon Musk, who unshamedly promote their favorite cryptocurrencies, are convinced about its stay. Even Mike Novogratz has not stopped talking about certain crypto predictions, especially for Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency investor and Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz just predicted that Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, could hit $40,000 provided that the Fed Reserve halts its interest rate hikes and starts cutting rates. Novogratz cited long gold, long euro, long Bitcoin, and long Ethereum as the clearest trades, all of which should benefit from the Fed's expected policy change. Following Bitcoin's recent breakthrough past the 30,000 milestone, Novogratz expects the cryptocurrency to consolidate before moving towards the $40,000 mark, contingent on the Fed's actions aligning with its expectations. It remains to be seen whether or not Novogratz's most recent prediction materializes. So, a question that we ask is, will Cardano reach $100? This same question has been asked on Quora several times, but a certain comment seems clear every doubt. A user, identified as Aaron Muslim, answered, "I'm going with yes. Not only yes, but I'm saying it could be worth more than $100, just not any time in the very near future." You have to look at the big picture, and that's exactly what Cardano does. You need to only look at the evolution of technology to see this. If Bitcoin was MySpace, Cardano would be Facebook. I love the skeptics in this post, and I'll be revisiting it in 15 years. This in of itself is quite impressive. It's a good sign that people who are deeply interested in Cardano still exist, but it's more exciting to hear that there is a strong possibility of ADA reaching $100. Remember the way Elon Musk supports Dogecoin so badly? Some proponents do the same to Cardano, and even recently Dogecoin was compared to Bitcoin. Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus, who created the original meme cryptocurrency together with Jackson Palmer back in 2013, took to Twitter to reveal the actual connections of his brainchild Doge to the flagship crypto Bitcoin. Is there even a connection though? Dogecoin is cousin Greg, he tweeted, sharing a photo of a cover of John Stevenson's book called Dogecoin, Bitcoin's Poor Cousin. Billy further wrote, Bitcoin is cousin Greg, that whom the second screenshot shared by this crypto influencer referred to, Greg Hirsch, from the HBO series Succession, which started in 2018 and continues to run still. In the series, Greg Hirsch was referred to as Cousin Greg. The character was a lackadaisical great-nephew of one of the main characters, a member of the family. According to a website, he was far removed from the Roy family's wealth and moved to New York to integrate himself with Logan Roy and get a stable job within the company. This analogy with Dogecoin caught the attention of Billy Marcus as he reacted to the title of the book about Doge by Stevenson. Indeed, Dogecoin was a spring off of Bitcoin and made based on the Bitcoin code as a parody of Bitcoin. It uses the same consensus protocol as Bitcoin, proof of work, and is even mined together with Litecoin, another Bitcoin spring-off. However, using a fictional book to establish that point is kind of fun. Such a thrilling way to stir reactions. On the other hand, Elon Musk, who loves to tweet about memes and entertain his 135.5 million followers with other sorts of tweets, also posted something that caught the attention of followers, especially the Doge lovers. He tweeted, "Fun times," and accompanied the tweet with a starstruck emoji. The tweet received massive attention. Among those who responded to this message by the innovative tech entrepreneur were several Doge fans. They either asked if it was a hint about Dogecoin payments adoption being integrated on Twitter, or simply posting GIFs and pictures of Doge, basically meaning the same thing. Twitter adoption? Rev Dr. Doge Christopher Benek responded to the tweet. Some also asked Musk about the upcoming Starship launch. Elon Musk has been an ardent advocate for Dogecoin for several years now. He began suggesting that Twitter implement micropayments in Doge to reward content creators well before he bought Twitter in October last year for $44 billion. When he bought 9.2% of Twitter shares last summer and became the largest single shareholder of the company, he was invited to join the board, where he suggested that Twitter begin to accept Doge for a Twitter Blue VIP subscription. Since then, Dogecoin has never remained the same. But going forward, cryptocurrency influencer and creator of Gokhstein Media, David Gokhstein, took to Twitter to comment on the sudden rocket of Dogecoin's price after Elon Musk surprised the community on crypto Twitter by replacing the blue bird Twitter logo with that of Doge. Yeah, Elon Musk did that. "I'm only paying in Doge," Gokhstein tweeted. The crypto entrepreneur rejoiced after the original meme coin printed a massive green candle, rising around 30% within a single hour after it seemed like it had begun integrating Dogecoin on Twitter. The Doge logo replaced that of the iconic blue bird on Twitter. Expecting Musk to add the meme coin as an option for conducting micropayments and tipping on Twitter, Gokhstein stated that he'll only be paying in Doge. He tweeted that the social media platform that Elon Musk bought for $44 billion last October has more than 400 million users, and using Doge for transactions on Twitter would already be a win for the industry. "Moving forward, I'm only paying in Doge, going to just embrace the memes," he said. Gokhstein also reminded the crypto community that Dogecoin started the 2 previous bull runs on the market. He is a popular supporter of meme coins. In his tweets, Gokhstein has said many times that he holds large bags of Doge and Shiba Inu. He's also looking forward to SHIB hitting 1 cent to dump all his SHIB and probably delete his Twitter account. After the news of the Dogecoin avatar taking the place of the Twitter logo spread, the price surged, and some whales began to lock in their profits and sell their Doge bags. In particular, the Whale Alert crypto tracker noticed 2 mega transactions carrying hundreds of millions of Doge, most likely to sell. Nevertheless, for crypto investors, it sometimes comes down to choosing between digital assets such as Dogecoin and Cardano, and the over 20,000 other coins in this space to invest in. It eventually comes down to the performance of each cryptocurrency and how much gains it can give investors. To possibly predict the performance of these 2 cryptocurrencies in the next bull market, although our emphasis will always be on Cardano, looking at their previous performance can be helpful. Now, in the last bull market spanning through 2020 and 2021, there were impressive rallies from both assets, but of course, Dogecoin saw more returns. But regardless of its impressive performance, in the last bull market, it still pales in comparison to Cardano when it comes to utility. Cardano's smart contract capability, which allows users to participate in decentralized finance sector, makes it one of the cryptocurrencies with the most utility in the market. So Cardano wins out because of its utilities establish it as a digital asset with a much higher chance of success over the long term. It also makes a good investment for those looking to invest in the technology rather than just try and make some quick cash. Moreover, Doge's performance is sustained by entirely hype, indicating that it's more of a gamble to invest in the meme coin. On the other hand, ADA works better for investors who plan to stay in the market for a long term, as well as being part of the future advances in blockchain technology. ADA might not have fictional connections to Bitcoin in any book as Dogecoin did, but it is set to make astronomical returns. It has a slew of supporters hoping for the best results. HODL should be the perfect strategy to see what it has in store for its investors. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure to click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.